In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs in 2026 and the important steps you should never skip if you want better audio without wasting credits or running into problems later. First, open the ElevenLabs. Now, click this text to speech. So before you paste your entire script in here, choose your voice on the right panel. Just click this voice drop down and you can choose your preferred voice in here. Then, choose a modal, click this, and you will see here the available modals that ElevenLabs offers. Select the 11 version 3 for better result. And that's it. So ElevenLabs specifically recommends getting familiar with the voice and modal because they have a major impact on the final output. Next, test your voice with a short section of your actual script. So don't generate the entire video immediately. Listen for pronunciation, pacing, emotion, and whether the voice actually matches your content. Click this generate speech to test your voice. Now, check the voice settings and adjust them based on the results. So this is the voice settings. Since we're using 11 version 3, the only settings we have is the stability. You can adjust it to natural, to robust, and creative. In 11.3 also, you can also use audio tag to control emotion like this. I use audio tag shout. This helps the AI control their emotion, delivery, and even certain audio events. This can make a dialogue and narration much more expressive. So here's another steps people skip. Fix your script before generating the final audio. Add punctuation, paragraph breaks, and natural pauses when they're needed. If a name or technical term is pronounced incorrectly, fix that before generating hundreds of lines. If you're working on a longer project, don't generate everything as one massive block. You can use the studio to organize your script into sections, assign voices, edit clips, and generate only the parts that need to be regenerated. Studio also lets you export the finished project as MP3 or WAV. And before publishing anything commercially, check your plan. ElevenLabs' current terms state the free users are limited to non commercial use, while paid users can use the service commercially subject to the applicable terms and policies. And finally, if you're using a cloned voice, make sure you actually have permission to clone that voice. Don't upload someone else's voice just because you can. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.